Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset your Lexus RX350 maintenance light. This simple guide will help you clear that dashboard indicator quickly. First, locate the odometer trip button on your instrument panel. Next, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Now, press and hold the trip reset button firmly. We're just getting started, so keep that button pressed for the next step. Before proceeding, it's important to ensure your odometer is displaying the total mileage, indicated by ODO. If you see Trip A or Trip B, simply press the trip button until ODO appears on the display. Once you've confirmed ODO is visible, turn your vehicle's ignition completely off. This prepares the system for the next critical step in resetting your maintenance light. We're almost there. Now for the key part of the reset process. With your ignition still off, press and hold the trip reset button once more. While keeping that button pressed, turn your vehicle's ignition back to the on position. Do not start the engine. Continue to hold the trip reset button for at least 10 seconds. You should observe the maintenance light beginning to flash during this time. Keep holding. After holding the button for about 10 seconds, you should see the maintenance light flash several times and then completely turn off. Once the light is gone, you can release the trip reset button. Congratulations, your maintenance light should now be reset. If for any reason the light remains illuminated, simply repeat the entire procedure from the very beginning, ensuring each step is followed precisely. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.